Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good evening, guys. Today, this lecture will be number 5, theoretical computer course lecture number 5. Let me start from here. Today, we'll talk about the e-commerce. What does mean e? That mean electronic commerce, and some financial things related with how we can use some financial transactions by use some technologies like apps or some knowledge about how you can do sign in some apps to can do that comfortably, and some electronic banking services like apps, ATMs. What is the full text about APN? ATM, sorry. What the PIN mean? The phone number to use any credit by using any ATM. All of these we'll talking about it in this lecture. Let me start from here. What is the e-commerce? E, that means electronic commerce. It's the online shopping, buying, selling, not just goods, not just things, physical things. It can be services like online coursing, online teaching coursing, like online teaching course like English, Turkish, whatever. That means not just physical things, can be uh, courses over the internet by using digital devices, your smartphones, apps, laptop, from Google homepage. Some things you can do it. You can reach uh, some page like Amazon page, to buy something. We will use all of these examples and explain all of these. It encompasses all online transactions, including everything from major online marketplaces like Amazon. Like, Amazon is a huge company, huge page, sells everything you want, devices, glasses, clothes, whatever, to social media selling. Can do that. How you can do that? Without money transition, by using the technology. You can send your money, your digit money from your account. We will talk about that. And individual consumer to consumer sales. It's another example related with the e-commerce, like Etsy. It's related between customers, two customers, let me say, with second-hand things. For example, in Turkey, we was using Let Go to buy and sell the second furnitures, for example, electronic devices, anything. Okay, that means it's belong to individual C to C, and I will talk about that in the next slides. How it works, how the electronic commerce works. Transactions, let me say transactions, it's different, has different meaning from transitions, okay? By that, be careful. Transactions, that mean businesses and consumers use the internet, the relation or the cycle between the companies and customers use the internet to conduct transactions, which can include some options we have: physical goods, digital products, and services. That's a wide range of things. Can be physical goods, physical things, and can be courses and serve another services. All of that related with transactions. Title. What about the technology? It's the most important thing. You can use all of these offers comfortably. Technology. E-commerce, electronic commerce relies on a variety of technologies. How? Let me explain that how. Online transaction processing and electronic data interchange, internet marketing. Actually, without some knowledge of technology, we can't use all of these offers. You should have some information about how you can install some, for example, banking apps, how you can reach some page like Amazon by using your Google homepage. Uh, Internet marketing, it's to sell things. For example, in Facebook or Instagram, we can say by the subscribers, a huge number of them, and Facebook or Instagram make these two apps like a huge market. By that, it's a good places to market goods, stuffs, courses, services, okay? And at the same time, to manage the inventory, something like review to your account, to your many transactions, the necessary data, processes payments. We'll talk about that, about transition, take money, send money, and facilitate. That means to make this process be easier. The most important point here, the last one, accessibility. It has feature because this feature, the e-commerce, be number one, and it's grow and grow day after day to be bigger, to be stronger. I know it's comfortable to any customer know or has knowledge about his rights because it's easy. Let me say here it's a huge difference from another physical shops because we don't have limitation time. Let me explain what that's mean 24/7. 24, that's mean to 24 hours. Okay? 7, that's mean all the weekdays. That means you can use, you can buy, you can sell anything in any time you want. Okay, we don't have limitation time. Availability to a global market, breaking down the geographical limitation for traditional break and mortar stories. And let me mention to another point, to another important feature. Uh, it's break down the geographical limitation. What that mean? That mean I can now buy and sell something from the longest between my country, from this chair, and from, let me say, China. It's a huge distance between my country and China. I can use my credit to and go directly, for example, to Alibaba app and buy or sell what I want from China by using cargo companies. I will reach my stuff in specific time. Okay, that means it's vanish the limitation, the distance, the hardness about the distance between, or let me say, by use this technique, I can avoid take a visa. I can avoid to take airplane ticket. I can avoid more uh, money consuming, and that will be comfortably with low price because I avoided to take visa, to take airplane ticket, and another things. By that, it's very important. Accessibility, it's to 24 7, what that means, I explained that, and what is the breaking down, and I use the Alibaba app as an example. Types of e-commerce. E-commerce has many kinds that's related with between who? Between companies to companies, between companies to customer, customer to companies. Let me explain that. The first one, businesses to businesses. That's mean companies to another companies. For example, ice cream company produce the ice cream, but it needs some caps and some designer here, some design here from designer belong to a company. These caps will be from another company. Some relation will be between the ice cream company and the caps company to produce the last thing you which take it from any market. That means here businesses to businesses. Its shortcut is B2B. Businesses to customers, that's mean, or to consumer, that's mean to you. Businesses sell directly to individual customers. Consumers, customers, the same meaning. That's mean like Amazon. Amazon buys everything. Glasses, electronic devices, clothes, anything you want, can take it from Amazon. That's mean from businesses related with this app. And the last point is you by taking your for what you want about glasses, electronic devices, clothes, whatever. Third one is the customer to businesses. That's mean or consumer to businesses. That's mean you to company. For an example, a designer designs something, logo, to a company. This designer can use the Upwork to send this design to a specific company and take a look if this company management will accept or not. Customer to customer, it's related, in my opinion, with the second hand, okay? Second hand furnitures, electric devices, whatever, between the customers. Buy something, like I explained before, in Turkey we was use let go. Consumers sell to one another, often through online marketplaces like eBay or ETC. Direct to consumer, what does mean? That's mean not from the company, from the manufacturers or from the brand directly. Sale directly to a consumer without intermediaries like closer. Intermediaries, yes, like closer. A beauty brand that sells, it's an example for company produces makeup, skincare, that's means specific, okay? Specific thing from specific company, not makeup from any company, no, it's specific. It's different from Amazon, okay? Like Closer, a beauty brand that sells its own skincare or makeup products directly to consumers. When I say directly, that means you will avoid, let me say, uh, increase more money. Okay, that's because that will be direct from the manufacturer or the brand and to you. And the manufacturer has contracts with some cargo companies to send your product to your address. Social commerce sells that it's take place directly by using some social media platforms. Now let's take what is the business, what's the benefits, what's the advantage of the e-commerce. For businesses, Low barrier, that's mean decrease the distance between you and the company in another country. I used an example to ask China. Provide global reach by that China or another country uh, can produce and send any product comfortably by using cargo, company cargo, to take my stuff, to take my thing directly to my address. Okay. Offer valuable customer data for marketing and sales strategies. When you do sign in to some app, sell and buying app, uh, by your research, the app can take some information from you. In my opinion, it's benefit. For example, you are looking for a mouse like that with some quality, with some benefits. By your searching, the app can take a look, take an idea about what you want. By that, the app can use this information to suggest another like products. For consumers, what is the benefit to you from using e-commerce? It provides convenience. It's easy. It's with shorter time by avoiding pay more money. A wide selection of product. What that means of products. What that means. By using this information, I explain it for a few seconds. The app, this smart app, will suggest many things like I wanted. By that, I can easily compare prices from different companies and easily to compare about the qualities of the same product. I love that. The concepts of e-banking, the concept of electronic banking revolve around the use of technology. Without some knowledge about the technology, all of these are meaningless. Okay? If you don't have idea about how you can install, for example, Ziraat app, and you don't have idea about how you can do sign in, how you can create your PIN, what that means, why that's it's necessary. Uh, you don't know, you don't have a knowledge about this credit card. By that, you don't have knowledge about how you can use it. All of that, that means all of that will be meaningless because use of technology or using technology is knowledge is very important to deliver banking services digitally. Offering customers 24/7 access to a wide range of transactions without visiting the physical branch of any, for example, for any bank. Why? I can do that from my app by do sign in and select to create an account from my phone. Just I connected my phone with internet. I can do all of these comfortably from my place and avoiding the consuming time to go to this bank branch. And let me say I can do that 24/7 without time limitation. With the same thing with the physical branch, bank branch. It has time to open, time to close because inside it there are employees. Okay, not AI, not internet to 24/7. The situation is different. Key concepts include online banking. Online banking, that means the website of this bank, how I can reach it from Google homepage. Mobile banking, the app related with this bank. For example, I have account in Ziraat Bank. At the same time, I have app. I installed this app in my phone. I created a PIN, sign in to this app. By that, I can do transition money from my app. I can pay my bills from my app and do many, many things like I can pay my university fees from it by avoiding the consuming time to go to the physical address to my university. And the ATM, the automatic telling machine. What is this? What the benefit of this? We will talk about that in next slides. Electronic funds transfer, which allow functions like viewing balances, take a look to my accounts to review them, some information about my transaction money, the address, or I can use it as a evidence, as a physical paper. Okay, the same idea. Paying bills, gas, electric, water, internet, anything. I can use it by using my phone, my app phone. Sure, I have money in my account, you can pay them. Managing investment through secure online and mobile platform. We can manage all of these if we have some knowledge about technology. Let me talk about the automated delivery. E-banking is the automated delivery of banking services through electronic channels. What these are, like mobile phone, providing a direct way to interact customers with their accounts. Like I said, uh, with avoiding to consuming time to go to the physical branch, physical address. Accessibility, it's important. Accessibility and convenience. Services are available to 24/7 and explained what that means, enabling customers to perform transactions like checking balance, take a look to my account, bills, paying bills, and transferring funds at any time from anywhere. That means we don't have time limitation. Security is very important. Banks use technologies like password, encrypted access, secure. All of these have the same target to protect your money account. Reduced need for physical interaction. E-banking significantly decreases the need for in-person visits to bank branch by using digital moving transactions platforms. I say that before. It suggested to you another easy way by using your phone, your internet. It's the same idea about the physical address and digital address. You can do your issue by using one of them, but just you will select which one will be easier without time consuming. By that, you will do that with the digital address. By go to Google homepage, them website, use your phone if you have app related with this company. Features of electronic banking. First one, online banking. You can access that by using your Google homepage, accessing account, checking statements, and performing transactions through a bank's website. Website, that's mean from Google homepage. Mobile banking, by using your phone, use a mobile app. That's mean here it's app. Online banking, it's a website. Mobile banking, it's an app. You can download it from Apple Store. Using a mobile app to conduct banking activities include account management, transfer, and payments. Automated teller machines, that's mean ATM. It's a money machine anywhere. Okay? Like, what is the benefits from the ATM? I can do cash withdrawals, can take money, can save money, can pay bills if I don't have app. I can use it instead of the app in my phone. Okay, if I did some problem, if I forget my password or whatever, I can use the ATM to take money from my account, to send money from my account, to take money to my account, to pay bills or my university fees. All of that I can do it from the ATM. And another, I can't change the PIN. We will talk about that in next slides. Online, the electronic funds transfer, moving money electronically. I can do that from the ATM or from my app in my phone between accounts, including direct deposits of salaries, it's an example, or automatic bill payments. Online payments, talking about how you can pay your bills comfortably without going to physical address. The same main idea. Paying for goods and services online, not just, yes, using debt or credit card. Uh, and let me add another thing, the online shopping, the same target, the same idea, okay? Linked to a bank account. That's when you have a bank account, you can do online shopping from any country. Doesn't matter, China, Japan, just you have your credit, you have money in your account, you can buy anything from anywhere, anytime you want. Investment and loan management. Here, when I take about borrow or loan management, that's mean I had credit card, not automatic credit card. Automatic credit card, I can do cash withdrawals. I can take money, send money, transfer money, okay? But I can't borrow some money by using it. It's a huge difference between automatic bank card and credit card. When I say loan management or loans, that means I have really credit cards. By that, I can borrow some money from this company, from the government, doesn't matter. A variety of online platforms allow customers to manage investments, apply for loans, and track their status. This is, or let me say, the Ziraat card was the automatic bank card, not really credit card. Why? Because I don't have salary in this company. If I have constant salary, I'm taking it each month. By that, I can change my credit to be credit card, not automatic bank card. Okay? It's important difference between these two cards. ATM services, cash withdrawal, like I said before, can take money, send money, transfer money by using your PIN. But what that means, PIN, that's personal identification number, your digit personal number. Deposit, when you charge your credit, it's you can say it's deposit. Some ATMs, not all, allow you to charge cash to your credit, or you can check your account how much money you have. Balance inquiry. Uh, Check your current account. It's like a review. Take a look to your account, how much you have, something like by using the ATM, not the bank account. I can do that from my phone by using the phone app, bank app. But if I didn't install it, that's mean I can go to the ATM and check how much I have. Fund transfer, it's related with the sending money between some specific digital address, okay, from my account to another. PIN management, I can change this personal identification number by using the ATM, and at the same time I can change it from my app in my phone. But the ATM offers that to you. Debit card services, ATM transactions, all the services listed above, I explained all of that before, are available through an ATM, like I explained before. But here it's important, be careful, because you should have knowledge about all of these cases here. Point of sale purchases, I explained that here. Purchases, use the card to buy goods from mall, okay? And services, online service, teaching, online teaching course, something like that. And physical stores by swapping. Now I'm talking specifically in physical address like mall. Let me explain the courses and online shopping and how you can use your PIN later. Let me focus on the physical. Let me use the mall as an example. Use the card to buy goods from physical stores. We have three things, 3 points to buy things from physical address like mall. First one, swooping, like that here. It's sweeping process by using this color, this side, just like that. That's sweeping. By that, this device recorded all my information and my account number. By that, it cut the needed money from my account by doing this process, okay? This swooping. Another track can be by using this sign, like Wi-Fi. That's mean I have opportunity to contactless payment. I can pay the bill or whatever by use the contactless technique. That is dangerous, because if you don't have knowledge about that, by this technique, by this way, it's not necessary to write your password, your PIN will cut directly, okay? Use the card for tap to pay transactions in stories, okay? Just touch, that's it. Or inserting by put this side with this SIM card inside this device and write your PIN to give opportunity to this device to cut the specific amount from your banking account, from your bank account. Online purchases, complete online shopping transactions by entering your card information. Here it's different. Here now I'm talking about the digital address. That's mean I want to make reservation in a hotel in some place, in some country, before my traveling. Okay, how I can do that? By using my credit, I will write my long number. The app will need that from me by writing the long number. And after that, my password. If I connected this card with my email or by using my phone number, the company will send a confirm message to be the last step before cut the money from your account, from your bank account. That means by entering your card information, like buying clothes or tickets, airplane tickets, reservation in some hotel in anywhere, bill payments, we talked about that too much. We can do that actually not just from your phone app. You can do that from ATM directly, pay bills or other bills online or through some ATM services. Mobile wallet. Mobile wallet. It's in my country, Zain Cash wallet. It's not physical credit with SIM cards. It's a wallet, it's an app in your phone without physical credits. Okay? Add the card to services like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Zain Cash in my country wallet. Allow users to make in-store payments without having to carry cash or physical credit cards. You can charge this wallet, this digital wallet, from any change office. And after that, you can use it by using your phone from this app. It's not need to physical card like that. Okay, it's another feature, but with the same idea. Okay, international use. Actually, I have another card like that. It's a local card just in my country. When you want to travel to another country and you prefer to avoid carry cash, okay, because cash is a problem. You can take the international credit card like new. You can charge dollar by using any change office and take this card. It's good way to avoid carry cash. Many debit cards can be used for transactions and withdrawals abroad globally. That's mean in any country in the world. That's it. Our lecture is done. Thank you for watching and listening. Have a good day and see you in the next lecture. Let me close it. Off.